Well, this is the wonderful Lake Louise, and you can see the Fairmont in behind me over there. So we came to check out the lake and to talk to you guys a little bit about what you can expect from Lake Louise in 2023, because they've changed quite a few things in the area, especially this year. And the first thing is they closed the road to Moraine Lake. You only have 3 different options to get down there. The first one is that you rent a shuttle, or you can also book a third party like taxi or Lyft programs that will give you a ride there directly if you need more time, or you can bike down the main path. Lake Louise has a few more options that you can actually drive up here, but you have to come early in the morning because you won't be able to get a parking spot. I tried today just for fun. I got here kind of mid-afternoon. I don't even know why I tried, but we were able to go all the way up to the top and we came all the way back down and we didn't actually get a place to park. So we went down to the campground instead. And then from the campground, you can just hike up here. It's not even that far. It's a gorgeous little hike of about 2.5 kilometers from the tent campground. It's a great little hike to come up. There's like a tunnel and you can go up to Louise Creek. There's a few bridges. It's a gorgeous little path. I recorded a video of me hiking on that creek in 2021. You guys can check out my channel. If you want to come to Lake Louise, you can use a shuttle or you can hike, and you can use a bicycle as well if you wanted to get up here. So those are the big changes you're going to expect here in Lake Louise for 2023, because it's very, very popular. And I think it's even more so popular than when I started coming in Lake Louise on a regular basis back in 2019. I've often come to the back here in the middle of the afternoon and parked, and there was no issue. Today there was actually rows upon rows of cars. I think it was almost like a consistent row of vehicles coming up and down there. I hope that maybe Parks Canada realizes this and actually has a better program to let people know at the bottom that the parking lot's full. But either way, I'll save you some time, and if you're going to come here in the middle of the afternoon, don't try it. And if you actually want to come here and do some of these wonderful hikes, I strongly suggest that you do. And you want to actually come here super early, but there's some of these hikes that you want to spend time here. You're going to find a lot of places where you're ooh and ah, and this is just the beginning. There's the plain of Six Glaciers. I made a video of us going all the way to the far back of that valley, and just over there on the other side of that big hump, you'll see Lake Agnes. There's a tea house there as well. You can go up Mount Piran. There's a big beehive. There's a Devil's Thumb. And on this side as well, there's actually Fairview Mountain. There's Saddleback Pass. There's a lot of places to come here. You could actually do 4 or 5 full days of hiking in this whole area just by parking at the Lake Louise parking lot. Well, I hope that this video helps you guys decide how you want to come and visit Lake Louise. And I'm Eric Tremblay, and these are my adventures. Peace out.